It's Mr. Peace. I'm here at LaMonte Annex School in Brook, New Jersey. My first visit to their campus. Such an amazing afternoon. Got to interact with all the kindergartners here and their teachers, the support staff as well. And the main focus on today's assembly was about bullying, but more importantly, seeing someone for their heart first, right? Just the same way that you see your best friend. And that means that our heart, as big as our fist, we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here. We can turn that into this. Right? And so one finger is ourself, the other is someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one heartbeat, one breath, one word, one action, we can say something so positive, it stays on someone's heart in a good way forever, or we can say something so negative that it stays on their heart in a very destructive way for the rest of their life. And we know that bullying is something that's repeated over and over and over again to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions, those one-time words can also leave the same mark on someone's heart. And I love that they have this signage all over their school. There's different banners with a lot of inspirational quotes and just school mantras, mottos, trying to reinforce the message. But the one that we see here, the 3 R's, right? Respect yourself, respect others, respect your school. And I think we really focus today on having that self-respect. And once we have that, giving that out to someone else as well. And that ties in with not only seeing someone for their heart first, but also for this too. I bring this up in all my talks, but all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one in each hand, and that M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy. Just like the front of my shirt as well, it says miracle. And that's a reminder that all of us are beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, because a lot of students I speak to, sometimes they don't. Or they've forgotten that, or they've just never been told that. And we can be the light to their hearts. Like famous author Mark Twain said, he said that kindness is the language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. And sometimes they can't really hear it or see it right, but they can always feel it in their heart. And the students understood that. They really did, get the impression of what I was trying to convey today at the heart level, through a series of heartfelt stories, some inspirational videos, some motivational music, the physical props, visual props, all of that combined, it really did hit home. And I think a lot of them, the pin drop moments that we had in the assembly today, they were really starting to reflect and think about, even at a young age, how they can make a difference, right? And that's what's so cool and so encouraging for me, is to know that our next generation is going to pick up that torch for change, to be the change, to be kind, because this world needs so much more of it. So thank you all for touching my heart. It was a beautiful afternoon. Hope to see you all again in the future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.